Hello children, today we are going to learn our lesson Plants our green friends. Okay, plants our green friends. Now how are the plants our friends and how they are useful to us, all we are see in that lesson. Okay, now warm up. Now which room in a house is meant for preparing food? Now in our house our mummy is prepared food. Okay, now in which room our mummy is prepared food? Now in the kitchen. So write down here you kitchen. Now where do plants make their food? To grow healthy and strong, plants are also need food as like a human being. So where they are make their food? Okay, we see here. Now all the plants around us have leaves of different shapes and sizes. Now all of you know the plant and their leaves. Okay, leaves are in different shapes and sizes in a different plants. Now different kinds of plants having a different types of leaves. Now number of different types of plants are present around us, and they're all different types of plants having a different types of leaves. Okay, now see here. This is the mango leaves. This is the lotus leaves. This one is people, papaya, banana. These are the different plants and having a different shape and size of the leaves. Here leaves are of different shape and sizes. Now we see parts of a leaf. So children, I am telling you for your better understanding, I am divided this lesson into two parts, part first and part second. So means there is a two videos of this lessons. You watch these two videos for your better understanding. Okay. Now we see here parts of a leaf. Now leaves of plants are mostly broad and thin. See here. Some plants leaves are broad as like a banana, lotus. These are the broad leaves, and some are thin and elongated as like a mango leaves. Mango leaves is a, as compared to these plants, mango leaves is a thin and elongated. So there is a different types of plants, different types of shapes and sizes of the leaves. Now the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. This is the flat part of the leaf. This is the outermost part of the leaf is the leaf blade. This is the flat part. Okay. And if we observe a leaf closely, we can see a network of fine lines. Fine lines network is seen when we observe the leaf this closely. See here. This is the main thick vein is present in the center, and on lateral side there is a small fine lines are present. These are called veins. Now, veins carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. These veins are carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. They also carry food prepared by the leaf to the stem of the plant. These veins are carry food and water from all parts of the leaf, and they also carry food prepared by the leaf to the stem of the plant. The thick vein in the center of the leaf is called the midrib. See here, leaf structure is given here. The thick vein in the center of the leaf is called midrib. This is the thick as compared to other veins. This main central vein is a thick. Okay, so this is known as a midrib. Midrib means this is the thick part present in the center of the leaf. Okay, this is the midrib. Now each leaf is attached to the stem or a branch of the plant by a stalk. See, this is the stalk. With the help of the stalk, this leaf is attached to the main branch of the plants. Now these are the parts of the leaf. You understand this? See here, this is the outermost part is a flat like structure. This is the leaf blade. Now lateral small thin fine lines are present. You see here, I'm show zoom. See here. Lateral sides thin parts are present as like a thread. These are the veins. Now centrally thick vein in the center is present. This is the midrib. And this is the stalk. With the help of the stalk, leaf is attached to the main branch of the plant. Okay. Now we see here leaves are food factories of plants. Because why they are food factories of the plants? Because in the leaf food is prepared. Okay. So leaves are also called the food factories of the plants. Now leaves of most plants are green in color because of the presence of a green substance called chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll is present in the leaf. This is the green color. Due to this presence of the chlorophyll, leaf look like a green color. Okay. So leaves that have chlorophyll make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. In the leaf plants prepare their food. Okay. So the process of preparing the food is known as a photosynthesis. To carry out this process, the leaves also need sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. When we go to prepare our food, that time we need some things to prepare the food. Okay. As like plants also, when the plants are go to prepare their food, they also some things are needed. These are the sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. With the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, plants are prepare their food. Okay. Now how they prepare their foods we see here. Sunlight that falls on the leaves is trapped by chlorophyll. See here, figure is given here. This is the sunlight. When the sunlight is fall on the leaf, this leaf is trapped by the sunlight. Okay. And water comes from the veins. These veins are absorb water from the roots. And water plus here carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present in the air. Okay. Carbon dioxide is present in the air. From this air, carbon dioxide is absorbed with the help of teeny small stoma. See here, stomata figure is given here. These stomata are present on the leaf. These are the small teeny pores are present in the leaf. Through these pores, the leaf absorb the carbon dioxide from the air. See here, water comes from the vein. Okay, veins are absorb water from roots. Here water plus carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and in the chlorophyll pigments. By using this water plus carbon dioxide, water कहाँ से आया? वेन से आया. Okay, veins absorb the water. Plus carbon dioxide कहाँ से आया? एयर में से. And in the presence of chlorophyll, here prepare the food. Food is in the form of as like a sugar plus oxygen is released in the atmosphere. When the plants are prepare their food by using water plus carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll, food is prepared. Food is as like a sugar plus oxygen is released in the atmosphere. Okay.